If you don't stand for something, you'll fall for anything.
In amongst his
Here's the key. We need trees. Hashtag Team Trees. Shout out hashtag Team Trees. Like the bees' needs, here's a trees bee. Wildlife videos that include poetry. I'm the first and the last of a dying breed. Latin names from A to Z. Just like me. It starts with a seed that grows into more trees, which equals more bees, that equals more seeds. Then we repeat, more seeds equals hashtag more trees. Just like Latin, I'm the last of a dying thing. Same for bees, same for wasps, spiders, and centipedes. I'm about to unleash my zen now. I'm in the zone now. I'm gonna let the zoo out. Zebus, zebras, and zooplankton are out on the prowl, searching for trees so they can chow down. Let's make a difference yet once again. Let's make a stand. Here's a bird, and here's a bee. Birds fly and bees sting.
I just taught you all about the birds and the bees, but really we're talking about Team Trees.
Shout out hashtag Team Trees. Bees get nectar, pollinating flowers, creating berries and fruit, but most importantly a seed, specifically a seed with a fleshy coating. Don't know much about taxonomical classification? Here's a solid foundation. Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Kings play chess on fat gray stumps. Plant more trees for the bees. Hashtag Team Trees.
I've got to uncover all these plants that I prevented from freezing. We're about to plant a monster cycad right here.
Now you have a foundation for taxonomical classification. Get ready. Here's round 2. Now I'm going to present something new. There are 2 main classes of trees, angiosperms and gymnosperms. Gymnosperms are cedar, spruce, or pines. Gymno meaning naked and sperm meaning seed. In that dead language again, Latin. But we can't eat cedar, spruce, or pines. See, that's where something magical happened way back in time. Needles got broader and those naked seeds got covered. Gymnosperms started losing the battle. See, trees gave insects like flies, bees, and beetles gifts that got better. We know them as flowers. The insects worship trees and hashtag Team Trees co-signed hashtag Team Bees. Angiosperms started winning the battle. Eventually along came mammals, and those seeds found the ability to travel. Insects, birds, and mammals are a grand experiment, a testament to the power of coevolution. Now back to the present, along came humans. Hashtag Team Trees.
There it is. I told y'all we'd plant a massive cycad right there. That is a Cycas revoluta. We've already got birds checking it out. That's awesome.
Bees make seeds. Birds and bats eat fruit, spreading seeds. They do it naturally, which creates new trees. This brings back a very old memory, the past when we didn't have anything. We were kids. We'd go up to any house, didn't matter who it is. Steal all their oranges. Just kidding. Hey, can we have some lemons? We'd spend our days squeezing lemons, making lemonade, fresh instead of play. We was making that money for that same thing that everybody had yesterday. We were always a day late. But to us that shit was twice as great. Making that money was something that trees make. Which brings me back to reality. We need trees. Hashtag Team Trees. Equals hashtag Team Bees. Equals hashtag Team Mr. Beast.
It's time to start that next generation. Y'all didn't think you were gonna get rid of me that easy. Seriously, y'all, go to Mr. Beast's page, watch his video planting 20 million trees. 20 million seeds might seem like a huge number, but is it? This is one pomegranate. Look at all these seeds. These are all the seedlings from my milkweed. I guess one seed really can make a difference. This fire spike has been a really good pollinator for many butterflies, and I've seen hummingbirds actually have some footage of that. Each one of those seeds will eventually turn into one of these in about 2 years. And this is with bare minimal water and no added fertilizer or anything. That's all natural. And each one of these seedlings will turn into one of these in 1 year. And this one plant can produce thousands of seeds in just 1 year. And thousands of seeds turns into 1,000,000 seeds in just 2 years. And each milkweed plant can sustain upwards of 30 monarch butterflies. That means the impact of each seed we've planted grows every year. Seedlings are the same seedling you saw me pull out of that green bucket earlier. And each one of these seedlings will produce thousands of oranges in its life. And after 2 years, this is what one seedling will turn into. After 7 years, seedlings will begin to produce fruit. And after that, they grow more and more fruit each time. And these fruit help support a complex network of living organisms, like that Celestes Carolina flying right there, which is known as the red paper wasp. Those same pomegranates will turn into a tree like this in around 3 years, about 3.5 feet tall, and will begin producing fruit in the next 4 years. I've only lived on this property for 3 years and have a lot of work to do, clearly, because my goal is to turn this into a pristine habitat, but it's going to take time. So please subscribe to this channel, support my channel, support Mr. Beast and his planting 20 million trees. We really need all the help we can get. This world is very important. It's our only home.
This was the before picture of that same exact area.
4 years ago, this place looked very different. But little by little, we're making strides. There's probably 30 different plants here that weren't here when I first moved here. So show your support, hit the like button, comment and subscribe, and share this video. Thanks everyone. How many seeds do you think a tree like this can produce in its lifetime? I'm not really sure, but I know the bees are loving it.